Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we will be making this beautiful hairstyle. For that we'll make the plaits and then we will fix them on the alternative sides like this. Fix them on the top and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides like this. Then we will tie a small ponytail. Then again fix the plaits like this. Join all the hairs together like this. Then at the end, we will make the plaits as we are doing. Here we are making a different type of plait. So watch the video very carefully. Otherwise, you may not get the desired result. And at the end, tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the small ponytail on the top, then take the few sections of the hairs from the sides, join them together, follow the same step for the few more times, fix the hairs at the end like this using the rubber bands and it's ready. Next, we will tie a beautiful hair accessory on the hairs, then fix it by making the plaits. Then we will tie all the hairs together at the end and fold it upward as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next, we will tie the hairs like this and after that we will rotate the hairs using this tool. Then tie the hairs at the back and again rotate the hairs. Fix it upward like this. Divide it into two sections and make the plaits on the sides. Then we will join it on the ponytail. Fix it upward and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie a ponytail, comb the hairs properly from the back, then we will divide the hairs into two sections, tie it and then rotate it from the between like this. Then we will fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Fix it using the rubber band at the top, then we will again tie the rubber band on the hairs and then fix it on the bun like this. Fix the rest of the hairs by rolling it down and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the rubber band on the hair to make a ponytail. Then we will divide the hairs into two sections and make the plaits out of it. After we are done with the plaits, we will further put the rubber bands on the hairs and divide it as shown in the video. Follow these steps as we are doing. Take the hairs from the back and tie it in the front. Then again follow the same step for few more times. Then we will join the hairs together and make a heart shape at the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you are enjoying it and you liked it. Next, we will tie the plaits on the sides as shown in the video. Then tie half of the hairs at the back, make the plaits out of it. Then divide the hairs into two sections and tie all of them together. Fix it upward and it's ready. Thanks for watching.